rider Fort Lauderdale. My name's Trevin, and I'll show you around this Indian Roadmaster today. The Roadmaster is a very nice bike. It is comparable to a Harley-Davidson Electric Glide as far as the size, the type of motorcycle it is, and the storage space you get out of it. If you'd like to come around here, I can show you some of the features of the bike itself. Fob system, which works with the ignition and senses whether you are close to the bike or not. Has a lock and unlock button, which works as far as electronically locking and unlocking your saddlebags here. I believe it is. Now it's locked, so you cannot open any of the saddlebags or side bags. When you unlock it, so it does give you access. Okay, this is the storage space you get out of the Indian Roadmaster here. It's all carpeted, very nice. Also has a 12-volt power outlet here in the trunk. Also, the side cases do also come with the 12-volt power outlet on the side to charge your electronic devices. These bags are all quick release locking bags, so you can remove the whole bag if you wish. Here. And just the power outlet on one side, but this side's also the quick release locking bags. As far as turning the bike on here, like I did mention, it is a fob system, so it will detect if the key is close by or not and will allow you to start or not start the bike. You have two different options of turning it on as far as the bike power is concerned. You have the big power button here, right in the center of the gas tank. You can't miss it, like an on and off button. Turn it on and off there. See the dash and the gauges light up. Volume down there. And you can also either turn it on electronically with the starting button itself. Just press it once and the bike turns on just as if you were to press the power button there. And in addition to the lock and unlock feature on the key fob remote, you do also have that function right on the bike itself, the lock and unlock. Now you can lock, and you can hear the actuators of the bag locking motors on and off there. Very easy to operate and easy to use. Very user-friendly, these Indian motorcycles. You also have the 12-volt power adapter right on the dash there too. In case you have your GPS hooked up to the bike, mounted on the bike somewhere, you do have somewhere to power that also. As you can see, it's a very easy to read gauge display and clusters. The numbers are all lit up for you there. Do also have the digital dash there too, which shows you all your radio functions and whatnot. You can actually cycle through different radio stations with the quick access buttons here on the side. Makes it very nice, volume up and down there. And then your presets, you can actually cycle through your presets here also. Right, and very nice feature of the Indian also is the electronic adjustable windshield. It does go up and down quite easily with just the touch of a button. Very smooth operation too. Allows you to adjust the windshield on the fly. Just something you are unable to do with the current Harley motorcycles. volume you get out of the speakers is pretty decent too. And you have a good radio station. Alright. So your basic controls are outlaid right in front of you here. Very easy to use and operate. Standard controls, your kill switch for the motorcycle itself, your hazard light button, on and off button there. You also have the cruise control function on here, which is nice. You can turn it on and off there. You can set accelerate and set deceleration there also. Very handy. Your starter button right there. We won't start it up. We are in first gear right now. On this side of the left side of the controls here, hand controls, you have your high beam, low beam, your horn function. Your signal lights are all on one side. They're very easy to use. Left and push into cancel, and same right and push into cancel. And then you have your audio functions here, different modes, your volume up and down, your scan through stations right there, your PTT system if you do have the intercom. And then also right behind the handlebar here, you can flick this switch and it'll show you your different bike and radio information there. It tells you the radio station, has your trip meters there, trip 1, trip 2, instant and average mile per gallon reading. This bike also does come equipped with tire pressure sensors in front and rear, and it'll let you know if you may have a small leak in the tire, something like that. It does also have your service indication there. Change oil now. Very easy to read. Battery voltage, very important. Make sure you have a good battery for your long trips. Back to the radio there. Very easy to understand and user-friendly buttons here, which I do like. This button is for your front fog lights. LED fog lights, which do brighten up quite nicely. Front there definitely complements your glowing Indian little head figurine on the fender. Beautiful bike. Alright, I'll kind of show you some of their little wind deflectors there. Very intricate stuff here. If you want to come over here, has two different sets of wind deflectors here. One that scoops up here to block in incoming air through here if it gets a little bit cold, and also another one here on the side that shuts and opens just like that. Pretty easy to reach while you're riding too. I don't recommend you make the adjustments while you're riding, but you can if you need to. Also comes with neat little storages on either side also here. And actually on the other side, if you want to come over here under the front fairing here, you do also have a little pouch you can kind of flip open. Very nice. It has, let me show you, an actual pouch, Velcro strap pouch, where you can put in your electronic device, more than likely your cell phone there. You can also hook it up to the USB there. While you're going, you can either charge your phone or have your phone hooked up to your radio, listen to some tunes while you're riding. Very nice feature that the Harleys don't come equipped with. Not in this nice a fashion anyway. Alright. That's pretty much a lot of the functions of the Indian there. Majority of the functions. Right here you have your same lock and unlock buttons, and you do also have the heated grips on here where you can adjust them through here. Up and down, and you can automatically turn them off with that button there in the middle. Also the gas tank, very classic Indian style, dual looking tank style, but the function is only on the right side here. screw on and off gas cap. That other side, the left side, is just for show. But it does add a very nice touch. Historic, rustic, American touch.